Hey everybody, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. My name is Michelle Aragones and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, and I absolutely love it. So I love this business and what it offers to not only the customer, affordable gorgeous jewelry, but also the independent consultants like me. We earn a great income with this, and I love it, and I want to share with everybody. So today I am going to speak to you regarding the business building bonus, also called the BBBs, on our report. So you get a percentage off the starter kits when you start team building with Paparazzi. We make great money from just the selling of it, sharing these beautiful accessories and selling it at 45%. That's one aspect of earning an income with Paparazzi, but we also have the team building aspect where you also earn income from that. So those two combined, you are making great money. So it's wonderful. So I'm going to speak to you about the business building bonuses, the BBBs, and explains as it explains on our comp plan. And it says every time you personally sponsor or enroll a new independent consultant into Paparazzi, you will earn 15% of their initial starter kit purchase, which is their PVs, as long as you are active. Right? So first, what does active mean? I think I spoke briefly on this, I made a video on this before. So active means you have to purchase, you have to have 50 PVs. PVs are your personal volume, personal volume. So 50 PVs equals to 25 pieces, because one piece equals 2 PVs, okay? So in those purchases, those 50 PVs can be from your personal purchase when you reinvest your money to grow your inventory, or from customer online purchases. So when you have a customer that purchases from your free website, you not only get your 45% from that, but that also counts towards your PVs. Okay? So in order to get your business building bonus, you have to be active. And that's only because we want to make sure that when you start team building, that you yourself are an active consultant and your team can learn from you. And you know, sometimes you can't, which is understandable, but that's why we have a full year for you to maintain that active status. Consultantship. Is that a word? Consultantship? I'm going to make it a word today. Okay. So the business building bonus. Yes. So on top is the BBBs. So you earn 15% of the kit PVs. So we have 3 kits, right? The $99, $299, and the $499. The $99 kit, which comes with 35 pieces, is 70 personal volume, 70 PVs, because I remember one piece is 2 PVs. So you earn the 15% off the 70 PV. You earn $10.50 per person that you enroll with the $99 starter kit. The $299 starter kit comes with 120 pieces, which is 240 PVs. So you earn 15% of that, and that's $36. So the $499 kit, which comes with 200 PVs, you're rocking and rolling then, is 400 PVs, plus you also get a free convention ticket with the $499 kit. So think about that. You earn $60 just from that kit. Okay? So you have to have an active status in order to earn any commissions, any bonuses from your team. Okay? So that is the business building bonus. We get rewarded for when we bring in somebody to do this amazing business and do what we do. So Paparazzi gives you 15% of that. So that is the business building bonus that you see in the comp plan. If you have any questions regarding the comp plan, please let me know and I'll try to go over. I know it's a little intimidating at first, but once we break it down, you'll understand it a little bit better. So if you have any questions regarding this business, I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. I want to make sure that you have all the right information, all the right resources for you to make the right decision for you and your family, which I know is going to be Paparazzi because we're good. It's an amazing opportunity. It is a simple business. We show and share affordable jewelry. That's it. We can do home parties, Facebook Live parties, which are huge. It's a game changer in this business. Events, whatever you feel comfortable doing, is all up to you. But we're here to help you succeed. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the business building bonus, please let me know and I will answer your questions. Again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I'm going to post a link to my Facebook page where I do my live parties. And also to my free information email series where you can sign up for free and you just get some information into your email box about Paparazzi. No obligation. It's just there for your information, and of course you could contact me with any questions that you may have. Well, thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.